Welcome to Growth Mindset Company, where we delve into the complexities of FIDIC contract forms and explore how to manage various scenarios that may arise during construction projects. Whether you're a project manager, contract administrator, or a stakeholder in the construction industry, this video will equip you with the knowledge to navigate through the contractual nuances effectively. Today, we're breaking down a detailed comparison of how different FIDIC books, red MDB, yellow, silver, and gold, handle various matters such as emergency instructions, employing subcontractors, unforeseen costs, and adjustments due to changes in technology or laws. Understanding these differences is crucial as they reflect the tailored approaches for different types of construction projects. Join us as we guide you through each matter, show you where to find them in the contract forms, and explain the implications of the variations in terms. Whether a clause applies broadly across all books or specifically within one, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to enhance your understanding and ensure your projects are managed within the defined legal frameworks, setting you up for success in the demanding world of construction contracts. Let's get started.
In today's segment, we're going to take a closer look at the structure of the table we use to navigate the FIDIC contract forms and understand how various matters are addressed across different books. This table is a fundamental tool for anyone dealing with international construction contracts, especially those standardized under the FIDIC guidelines, which include the red, MDB, yellow, silver, and gold books. The table is organized into several columns, each serving a specific purpose. 1. Matter. This is the first column, where we list out various scenarios or issues that might arise during the execution of a construction project. Examples include emergency work instructions, employing subcontractors, or adjustments due to changes in laws or technology. 2. Reference to variation clause 13. In the second column, we identify how these matters relate to variation or clause 13 within the FIDIC contracts. Clause 13 typically deals with variations and changes, and this column links the listed matter to a specific legal reference point that explains how it should be handled contractually. 3. Contract book columns, red MDB, yellow, silver, and gold books. These columns are crucial as they show where each matter is discussed within the individual FIDIC books. Each book caters to different project types or conditions, and the subclause numbers indicated provide a direct reference to where you can find detailed information on handling the matter at hand in each specific book. Red book, generally used for construction works designed by the employer. MDB book, tailored for multilateral development bank-funded projects. Yellow book, suitable for engineering and mechanical works. Silver book, for turnkey projects. Gold book, designed for design, build, and operate projects. Some cells might be blank, which indicates that the specific matter is not applicable under that contract form or is addressed differently without referring directly to Clause 13. Understanding the layout and usage of this table not only facilitates a deeper comprehension of how various scenarios are contractually managed, but also aids in the swift navigation through FIDIC's complex documentation, ensuring that you can find information efficiently when it matters the most. This structured approach to contractual variations is what makes FIDIC contracts a preferred choice in large-scale international construction projects.
Welcome to our detailed overview of the specific matters and how they are handled under different FIDIC contract forms, which include the red book, MDB book, yellow book, silver book, and gold book. Each contract form guides the handling of various scenarios that might arise during construction projects. Let's delve into each scenario and its corresponding guidelines across these contract forms. 1. Instruction of work in emergency situations to reduce risk. This is only applicable in the MDB book under Clause 3.1, where specific provisions are made for emergency instructions to ensure safety. 2. Instruction to employ a nominated subcontractor. This matter is covered under various books. It appears in the red and MDB books under subclause 5.1 and in the yellow, silver, and gold books under subclause 4.5. 3. Unforeseeable costs of cooperation with various parties, recognized as a variation in all contract forms under subclause 0.6, addressing costs arising from unforeseen collaborations. 4. Instructions following unforeseen physical conditions, treated as a variation in the red, MDB, yellow, and gold books under subclause 4.112, ensuring flexibility in response to unexpected site conditions. 5. Correcting defects notified within a specific period, applicable as a potential variation in the yellow and gold books under subclause 5.1, facilitating timely remediation of notified defects. 6. Changes in applicable standards after the base date, managed as a variation in the yellow, silver, and gold books under subclause 5.4, accommodating updates in relevant standards. 7. Instruction to submit additional samples. This is a required action across the red, MDB, yellow, and gold books under subclause 7.2, ensuring quality and compliance through additional sampling. 8. Additional or amended tests when results show no default or are delayed. Uniformly handled across all contract forms under subclause 7.4, providing a standard procedure for extended testing requirements. 9. Estimates required for anticipated effects of future events. Proposals under this scenario are addressed in the red, MDB, and yellow books under subclause 8.3 and in the gold book under subclause 8.4, preparing for impacts of foreseeable future events. 10. Prolonged suspension affecting part of the works. Governed as an omission under clause 13 in all books except gold, where it's under subclause 9.10, allowing for contractual adjustments during extended suspensions. 11. Instructions to rectify deterioration or defects during suspension, specifically covered in the MDB book under subclause 8.12, ensuring that damages occurring during suspensions are promptly addressed. 12. Remedying defects not the responsibility of the contractor, detailed under subclause 11.2 in the red, MDB, yellow, and silver books, and as a variation in the gold book under subclause 12.2, clarifying liability and remedial actions. 13. Provisional sums, addressed under subclause 13.5 across all books, providing clarity on managing provisional budget allocations. 14. Adjustments due to legal changes. This is a specific variation dealt with in the gold book under subclause 10.6, reflecting adaptations to changes in law. 15. Technological changes requiring adjustments, managed as a necessary variation in the gold book under subclause 13.7, accommodating technological advancements. 16. Replacement of assets not listed in the asset replacement schedule, instructed as a variation under clause 13, noted only in the gold book under subclause 14.5, ensuring that unlisted assets are appropriately replaced. 17. Rectification of damage due to risks allocated to the employer, deemed a variation and specifically addressed in the gold book under subclause 17.6, focusing on employers' responsibility for damages. This overview provides clarity on how different matters are managed under various FIDIC contract forms, ensuring that stakeholders can effectively navigate the complexities of construction contracts. Each scenario is carefully outlined to assist in the appropriate application of contractual clauses in response to real-world issues on construction projects.
Well, what did you think about that? Hopefully this video helped demystify some of the key contract terms and clauses we covered. If you feel like you leveled up your construction knowledge, don't forget to smash that like button. Every thumbs up and share helps us reach more people in the industry who are hungry to gain an edge. We're all in this together, so let's keep paying that knowledge forward by spreading the word far and wide. But why stop there? There's always more to learn in this ever-evolving field. So do yourself a favor and subscribe to the Growth Mindset Company channel right now. Then brace yourself, because you're about to get a steady stream of expert insights delivered straight to your feed. Hit that notification bell too, so you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content. With the latest tips and strategies at your fingertips, you'll be primed to outthink and outperform the competition. The construction world won't know what hit it once you unleash your newfound expertise. What are you waiting for? Like, share, subscribe, your journey to mastery starts now.